Welcome to 3041 Northwest Kenwood Court, located on Awbrey Butte in Bend, Oregon, at the top of the summit. This home is 5,812 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths. It has a tri-zone heating system, one for each level, with central AC and gas heat. It has a brand new water heater that's natural gas and highly efficient. There's this paver driveway. The home has beautiful rock work, and the pavers continue all the way to the front door. There's good space all the way around, afforded by this 0.74 acre lot. Just a beautiful home and a fantastic neighborhood. Standing in the foyer of the main floor, directly to the left we have the main floor guest bedroom and more of a den. It's utilized as a den at this time, but has a closet. That door leads to a full bathroom with stall shower. The hardwood floors at the entry here are all in beautiful condition. Directly to the right of the front is a parlor. Great natural light throughout. Then the formal dining area. Good artificial lighting as well. Sconces and can lighting, several things that help get the light cast around. The continuation of these hardwood floors. Two-way fireplace. The kitchen with slab granite counters, island, breakfast bar seating, under cabinet lighting, great appliances, just an awesome kitchen with a nice view out and its own access to the back deck through a slider. All of the windows in this house are wood framed with vinyl outside casements for great longevity. It allows that premium look without having to deal with the maintenance of the wood outside. The living room here, these great ceiling heights, built-in sound. The upstairs and the bathroom that leads to the den main floor master. It does have a shower behind this door. It's a full-size shower. Just an awesome main floor layout, all of it in excellent condition. There's the door down to the daylight basement, and then back around to show how it all comes together. Standing here on the landing of the second floor, you can see that natural light coming through the skylight. Awesome feature to keep it well lit throughout, especially in the center of the home. The master. The private deck through its own slider. The tall ceilings, trade ceilings, great light, good natural light through large windows, separate seating areas, lots of room for larger furniture. The private master deck right there. Good privacy, you can see through those windows. The fireplace in the master and mantle. Master bathroom with jetted soaker tub. And vaulted ceilings. A large double vanity. And then the separate enclosed toilet room. And it does have a shower as well. The master closet, well organized and very spacious. Now in the landing between the guest bedrooms and the guest bathroom and the upstairs utility. The utility room here on the left has a nice folding table, washer dryer, cabinets, a good hanging area as well. The bathroom in the middle has that perfect layout with a double vanity, good closets, and then separately the water closet slash shower. So with this door, someone can be using the vanities and separately use the toilet or shower. Both guest bedrooms are very spacious and have their own walk-in closet. This one past the walk-in closet has more storage back in behind the eaves. Just a great second floor layout. That opens into the main floor living, allowing lots of natural light through to both sides. Now down on the lower level daylight basement, you can see this is just an awesome bonus area that fits a shuffleboard, pool table, foosball, all kinds of fun things. There's great closets and good storage down here. One full bedroom as well. Ceiling heights are great. Almost all of it's above 8 feet. With some cool trade ceiling areas. Good lighting too. The staircase up to the main floor. Straight ahead is the utility closet for the water heater and the HVAC systems. The downstairs bedroom, spacious, has trade ceilings, a good closet, a large window. And then the downstairs living room with theater seating, the trade ceilings, can lighting, its own access to the downstairs patio. The downstairs has its own natural gas fireplace as well. And then straight ahead we have another living area with TV and the workout equipment. The downstairs does have its own full bathroom with a closet, and there's a shower right behind that door. Downstairs there's also a second pantry. Upstairs has its own, but downstairs there's a larger one. That's a drum set in the corner. Just a really spacious downstairs area with great functionality. And then back around to where we started. Just a great space and a great utilization of a daylight basement. And now the inside of the attached two-car garage. It has a new epoxy floor, great storage built in. As you can see, there's a coat rack, seating, the utility sink, and it's heated. It has its own wall heater there. Can fit large vehicles easily, two cars very comfortably, and the paver driveway is absolutely awesome. Standing on the back paver patio, looking at the natural gas fireplace. This area is fenced and enclosed, so if you have dogs that you need to keep in, it's a great space connected to the home for that purpose. The hot tub in excellent working condition. The deck leads right into the living room. It extends to this area back here. That also has access into the house through that slider. And then it continues around with access to the kitchen. So there's 3 access points to this back deck area. Then looking at the lot, it's all beautifully landscaped, really well maintained. And there's a great space buffer all the way around because the lot's 0.74 acres. And that detached two-car garage with lofted ceilings and storage area.